So guys, welcome back to Channel 1 Key Car Garage. We picked this up at COSTCO and it's a Jackery. It's a solar generator, 1000 plus 100 watt mini solar generator. All right, just gonna give you some of the specs here. All right, and it comes with the solar panel in the package as well. This is your battery backup generator, so no longer do you have to just rely on the traditional generators using propane or gas generators that require a lot of maintenance. This makes it a lot easier, packs in identical power, but this is just an unboxing. We're gonna see what we got here. Get my tactical pen. Just like that. Oh, we got a box inside a box. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Actually, it's probably easier to just do that. Wow, this is packaged. All right, on the top, look like we got the solar panel itself. And this folds out. Let's put it right there. More boxes. All right, what we got here? We got the instruction manual, optional. Just kidding. Another instruction manual here. Oh, it seemed like there's an app for it. Nice, I like that. So I take from the app you can control the settings and all that good stuff. All right, we'll look into that. Now the user guide, Solar Saga 100 Mini. All right, got a package here. There you go. Oh, this comes with the charging cable. This nice thick gauge here. And we have, all right, so this is another attachment. We have, oh, this one is for the vehicle. This goes in your auxiliary or cigarette lighter port. And we have what seemed to be an adapter interface here. All right. Oh, this should be in our manual or set of instructions. Let's put that to the side. All right, and for the main event. Oh, this thing is heavy, guys. Oh, this is heavy. right. Let's see if we have any power or juice. There's a power button. Alright. The ASMR going here. Alright. So it looked like we got 2 USB A's, 2 USB C's, pumping out 18 watts and 100 watts max respectively. Right, we have some standard jacks there, or sockets. Right, we have our power button, or just like a changeover DC 1210 amp adapter. We have a light. All right, let's see if what power this comes with, if any. All right, we're at 29%. Loving it, guys. And I like the portability of this. It's quiet. You don't have to worry, especially for those of you guys who require this extra power for your RV setups or in your RV parks where you have sometimes there's a noise ordinances as far as some of those generators, and you don't have to worry about that. So right now nothing's hooked up, so we're not outputting any wattage. Nothing is plugged in. That's our Bluetooth flashing there, and it looked like we have Wi-Fi as well. What is this light button here? Yep, you have a flashlight. Oh, it gets brighter. Flashing for your SOS. All right, loving it, guys. This is nice. All right, and a nice sturdy handle here, and on the back we have more cautions and instructions. We have an expansion input DC expansion port. I guess that's what some of those attachments are for. Yep. And sure enough, we'll figure out what those are after we consult with our instruction manuals. But guys, this is this is pretty substantial in weight. I'm thinking it's probably a good 30 pounds, 40 pounds, but manageable nonetheless. All right, now let's go over to our solar panel here and get some of these boxes out of the way. You can have a button there and one here, and this is going to expand. Hold on. And guys, this is a good nice length to it. All right, see, compared to that, so if you're using it in your vehicle or RV setup, you know, you can just put that right on top while parked or while camping. You can put it out in where you're going to get sunlight to. So the idea is this recharges that, so you can actually use this thing off grid. All right, and I would presume that for faster charging you can just plug this up to an outlet before you go out so you have enough power on hand, and this as a backup when you're running low. All right, so that's it, guys. This wasn't that cheap. Well, the price is good considering. At Costco it was on sale for $6.49. all right, typically I think it's about $800 or so, but they had it on sale for $6.49. And they also had another portable dual fuel generator, which was also at the same price, but that one requires propane or gas. That one is also a good one, but it's a lot heavier, a lot bulkier to carry around. But this, they're stepping up their game as far as, portable battery packs. And pretty soon they might be replacing your standard generators because they're a lot quieter, a lot easier to carry around, and a lot more convenient. You have all your modern hookups and setups here. All right, so guys, you press that button, tells you how much. So that looks like you have about 12 hours remaining on 29%. And that is giving you the that one's saying 41.7 hours. So we'll figure that out, but I think this is one of the nice current deals being offered at Costco, and we love Costco, guys. So that's it. And typically Costco, before carrying products, they are tested ahead of time, so they have an idea that it indeed work and everything is good to go. So you're not going to have a lot of returns on most of their products. So guys, that's it. And again, this is a shot of the solar panel setup. Let's take a snap a picture of that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. One Key out.